Hey y'all, so I just wanted to check in with y'all because this will be my last video until I come back from surgery and I recover and everything. So I just wanted to talk to y'all as I cook my breakfast. So today I'm making a cabbage breakfast wrap and I'm sauteing some pork right now with some onions, garlic, and ginger. And I'm also going to add some beets into this mixture. And I also made some avocado as well. And I got my water going for my cabbage leaves. They're right there. So guys, I get surgery on Friday, October the 4th. And it's a bariatric surgery. And I'm pretty scared. I'm not going to lie. I am pretty scared. And this is major surgery that I never had before. Open up the cabbage wrap. See, they're just leaves, and you just want to place them in the water. Like that. And they're going to stay in there until they are tender and soft. It's going to take a few for that to cook. So, like I said, I'm getting surgery. And I am pretty scared, guys. I made my own avocado sauce. And I'm going to add the beets and stay tuned. So I'm back. I added the beets to my pork and onion mixture. Now I have to be on a meat and vegetable diet for about 2 weeks. So I've been trying to find different ways to make meals for myself because I can't eat what the rest of the house eats anymore. So that's the mixture. So I poured a little beet juice in my water. I love beets, y'all. I love them. So back to what I was talking about. So yes, I'm getting bariatric surgery, and it's called a dual switch. And it's for my health, guys. My diabetes is, really bad, and I got a lot of other health issues going on. So my doctors and my whole medical team came to an agreement that this surgery was the best for me, and that's what I'm going with. So like I told you, I'm scared. I'm very scared. I've been on edge, a little stressed because like I said, this is major surgery, and you never know what's going to happen with major surgery. So I'm just like, my mind isn't here. I'm everywhere. Like, there are oatmeals in the microwave. What? There are oatmeals in the microwave. So I've been talking to God and praying that everything goes well. But like I said, you can't help but to think about the what ifs and the possibilities that can happen. and things of that nature. So I'm just trying to stay positive. I'm not going to say that it's working a lot, but I'm trying to stay as positive as I can with this journey. I wasn't sure if I wanted to make a video for you guys about this journey that I'm going through, but I mean, why not? So guys, that's rocking with me on my channel. I appreciate y'all. I love y'all. I thank y'all for y'all support. And if you're new to my channel, hey. And I'm definitely have content that I am putting out while I'm down. My wife is going to drop them, I guess, week by week, I guess. I don't know how she's going to do it, but that's happening. So right now, like, I've just been, I guess, like, staying to myself a lot because, like I said, I'm not here really. I'm everywhere but here. And I'm just trying to get myself together. I have a day left until this happens, and I can't really say I'm too excited about it. Nobody likes to get cut on, especially when this is really your last option due to your medical health. So I'll try to check in with you guys periodically and let you guys know how I'm doing. I'll do little snippet videos to post on my channel, and to let you guys know how I'm doing, what I'm going through, and everything like that. But yeah, so I'll be back with the finished product, guys. And like I said, thank you guys for the love and support. To all the subscribers that I have now, I thank you. I appreciate you. If you're new, hi, how you doing? Welcome to my channel. Like, comment, and subscribe, please. And just keep me in prayer, guys, because I definitely do need it. Just keep me in prayer. All right, I'll be back with the finished product. So this is the finished product, everybody, and these are the lettuce wraps that I am going to eat for breakfast. So thank you guys for watching, subscribing, and liking, and I'll keep you guys in tune in what's going on.